Hello, we are Group 17 from Qatar University, and our senior project is about autonomous traffic violation detection system using drones. Our goal is to create a smart aerial solution that supports Qatar University's campus safety operations and also aligns with Qatar National Vision 2030 for smart cities. At Qatar University, traffic violations such as speeding near pedestrian walkways and parking in unauthorized zones have become frequent issues that affect both safety and mobility on campus. Traditional manual patrols are time consuming, inconsistent, and resource intensive. To address this, our team developed an autonomous drone based system capable of detecting and recording violations in real time, which minimizes the need for human monitoring. Our system uses a custom F450 drone equipped with a Cube Orange flight controller, a here for GPS, and a Raspberry Pi 4B camera, where the drone streams 2K video to a Python GUI ground station, where a YOLO V11 AI model, which was trained on over 4,000 images, detects violations like improper or multi-spot parking. Every event is logged with GPS coordinates, timestamps, and annotated images for university security to review. Here you can see our drone in action, which it follows the predefined routes created using map proxy and the mission planner, as you can see. As it flies, the drone camera streams live 2K video directly to our Python-based GUI, where the system continuously analyzes the footage in real time. And whenever a vehicle violates parking rules, for example, taking two spots or stopping in a restricted area, the system automatically detects the violation and captures the evidence and displays it instantly on the interface, completely with the timestamp and the GPS location. During our testing phase, the detection model achieved an impressive 98.9% mean average position, running around at 30 frames per second while maintaining a flight time of 35 to 40 minutes per mission. All flights fully complied with the QCAA safety regulations, confirming that the system is reliable, accurate, and ready for future campus deployment. At the end, I would like to thank you for watching, and together let's make every ride a safer cruise toward a smarter future.